Hey folks, Supervisor George Holman, and I am so thrilled and delighted that so many of you came out to celebrate the Town of Clarkstown America 250 celebrations. Really a wonderful time was had by everybody at both our fireworks and our drone show. We had the ladies of the 80s that were kind of the warm-up act that brought us up to the fireworks. It was a big, beautiful display, bigger than last year. It was a late arriving crowd because of the hot weather. It was 94 degrees that day. Really want to really thank everybody that kind of came out and kicked off America 250.
Well, thank you, George, and thank you to the Town of Clarkstown for once again putting on a spectacular July 4th fireworks show. This year, as we celebrate America's 250th anniversary, it's a great opportunity for everyone in our community to come together and to celebrate that we live in the greatest country on the face of the earth.
Hey everybody, it's Congressman Mike Lawler. Clarkstown once again put on a spectacular 4th of July fireworks this year in celebration of America's 250th birthday, along with a spectacular drone show. It was awesome to see thousands of residents come out and enjoy the festivities and the celebration.
Superintendent of Parks and Recreation, Matt Veronese here, celebrating America 250 with our 250 events. We had the concert, fireworks, drone show, amazing turnout at all the events. Our concerts are going all summer. We are so happy to be here in Clarkstown celebrating America's 250th birthday.
Hello, Clarkstown. My name is Brian Tesson, and I'm the chairman of the Parks and Recreation Commission for the Town of Clarkstown. We had a great 4th of July celebration on July 1st. It was held by many people. It was really nice. And we also had drone show. Hope everybody enjoys the rest of the summer.
This is Chief James Fay of the Clarkstown Police Department. We've had a great time celebrating America's 250th. We had a fantastic firework display, a drone show that was outstanding, and everybody had a great time. And I'm very happy to have experienced it, and I'm very thankful the town put this on. The police kept everybody safe, and all was well.
And again, the West Point Orchestra, just incredible patriotism on display.
Hi everyone, I'm Judge Keith Braunfetel, and I want to wish America a happy 250th birthday. We've already enjoyed the fireworks, and the drone show was amazing. The Town of Clarkstown knows how to celebrate America's 250.
Mike Graziano here, Clarkstown Town Council, Ward 2. We had a great show in here, the fireworks, celebrating 250 years of America. I mean, you can't get any better than this here in Clarkstown. We have so many events going on. Happy 4th of July to all of you. A safe one to you and your families, and God bless you and God bless America.
Councilman Bob Axelrod, Ward 4, Clarkstown. This past week, we had a great celebration over at the big field over behind Felix Fester. We had the fireworks display, we had a concert, we had ladies of the 80s over here, everything you could ask for. Beautiful day, otherwise, people coming with their lounges, their folding chairs, everything that you could think of to enjoy this day.
So check out our website for the continuing events as we celebrate this wonderful summer where America commemorates our 250th anniversary.